As the assembly elections are fast approaching, the NPP-led MDA government is also doing its best to highlight the various developmental activities in the state of Meghalaya in the past 5 years. As claimed by the national president of the NPP and also Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K Sangma, one of the achievements of the present government is settlement of border dispute with the state of Assam, which he claims is an issue which has not been addressed for the past 50 years since attainment of statehood.
That's number one. It has gone as per the indications and as per the expectations that we had. Second of all, obviously, the second phase is moving in its own manner. We had a lot of challenges in the past. You are all aware about it. So hence, we'll have to smoothen out those challenges and those incidents that happen. Until unless we are not able to move forward from that, we'll not be able to take this discussion forward. So we have had a major setback to the talks in terms of those incidents, but that does not mean that the talks will stop, does not mean that we will not further pursue the border issue. We will pursue it and we will take it to the logical conclusion. It is only the National People's Party, it is only this particular government that has taken the initiative in the last 50 years to really find a realistic solution. And as I said, we have done it for the first phase. We are very, very hopeful that given the mandate and given the opportunity by the people of our state, that we will be able to solve this in the next term.